Ta-da! Hello guys, so today is day 3 of the 30 days trading and making money using AI challenge, and today I'm going to be dropping the holy grail. I know this is the most anticipated video because a lot of you are reaching me, so when can we start trading? But then hold on a minute. It's the goal is not when to start trading, is when am I ready? When do I have the required knowledge to start making, you know, taking profitable trades, right? So that should be your focus. So today I'm going to be introducing you to your trading platform. So to this video, I'll be showing you how to create a demo account and introducing us to a broker. So for those of us that doesn't know what a broker is, I'm going to be telling you. You remember when I defined what forex market is? I told you what forex trading is. I told you that is the buying and selling of foreign currencies, right? And I use an illustration. For instance, if you've got in Nigerian naira and you want US dollar, what do? You go to zone 7, bureau de change, to go to convert that, right? So that bureau de change man acts as your broker. So a broker is simply an individual or an institution, right, that serves as an intermediary between you, the retail trader, and the vast decentralized global market, global financial market. So basically that's it. So they facilitate the buying and selling of these cryptocurrencies. So we need that. So for instance, I have naira in my account. That naira cannot magically convert to US dollars, right? So you need a broker. So that platform that enables you to execute those trades is simply what a broker is. And there are many brokers out there, but for us to create our demo account, we need a broker to also do that. And the one we are going to be using is Exness. And this is why we are using Exness. The Exness has a lot of amazing features. Now it is going to allow me to know all the people that registered or that I'm trading together with, right, through a link, so that we can be accountable to each other and make money together. So that's awesome. So in this video, I'll be walking through the process of creating your SNet account, your demo account, and 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 also the trading platform that we are going to use to execute our trade, which is MetaTrading 5. So without further ado, let me go show you this. And please, I told us for this to work, right, it involves active participation. So you are not going to be non-passive. You are going to, I will require you to actively participate. When I ask you a question or if I give you an assignment, I want you to do it, right? So that is just what I want from you. So I'm going to go ahead now to grab my phone and show you how to create a demo account and probably walk you through the process. We are not going to take our live we are not going to take our first trade now, but subsequently in the next class, because there are a lot of things to learn. So for those of you that have itchy hands, you want to start trading, my advice for you is to just calm down, learn all the requisite information, then you are going to trade. So just hold up. So without wasting much time, let me just grab my phone and show you how to do that. So please, I want you to also follow the information to the latter, because in the video there's going to be a referral code that will allow me to see all the people that registered, so, or that use my link, so that I can be accountable to you and also be accountable to me. So now that that has been saved, see it, let me go show you how to. So guys, so the first thing you do is go to your app store or play store and look for this app. It's called SNet, or simply click on this link, right? So I'm going to drop a link in the description section. Now if you click on it, it's going to take you to your play store or your app to download this. It's very, very important, right? Now if it opens, it will tell you to put in your here. So here, this is it here. Now upgrade the way you trade. Now trade with the world's largest retail broker will benefit better than market conditions. So you are going to click on register. So when you click on register, it will bring this verification process. So make sure you do the verification process, but then it's literally straightforward. Just click on this. So you click on yes, I'm human, and it's going to take you to the app, the web app where you have to do the registration. So the verification successful. Then here, so this is where you create your account. So here you are going to put in your email address, your country. So country, if you're in United States, choose United States. So for my friends in United States are also watching this. So but for my other friends that are in Nigeria, you just put Nigeria, then put in your email address, then create a password. So very important, you see this place, partner code. Now it's very important that you copy this code. So here, profitable trader for life. So that's like the password that I'm using here. So now if you, for this, right, you make sure you put it, because if you don't put it, like I may not be able to see like your progress, and if you are taking trade, I will not be able to know. So here you copy this. Yeah, so this is the thing. So this H98V34, so you copy it, right? Copy and click on paste. Click on paste, then click on you agree with the terms, then click on continue. So it's simple and straightforward. So now it's because I have the account already, or alternatively you can go to your app store or Play Store, depending on the one you are using, then click on Exness. So you click on search, click on search for Exness, tap on it. So this is it. So when you open it, it's going to look like this, right? So this is how the app looks like. So it gives you different options to sign in with your Google, your Apple, or you click on create account, right? So you say create an account, then you choose. So you see that the interface looks exactly like the other one, right? So you choose Nigeria, then you click on declare. So here this partner code, make sure you copy it and paste, then click on confirm, right? Then you click on continue. So you put your email. So put your email. So if I put my email and continue, it will tell me that I should log in because I have an account already. So you see option not available at the moment. Please try again because I have an account. Or you can register with your Google account, but make sure like the referral code you have it. So let me go and log in with my account and just show you the other things that you need to do. So if you have any issues with the registration, please let me know and I'll be glad to help. So it will tell you when you sign in successfully, it will tell you to set a passcode. So I will just pause this and put in my passcode. So when you create your account, when you create the passcode, it's going to send you a verification. You just copy and you go here and paste it, and you see you get a confirmation here. Then if you check here, now you click on, because so this is the home. On your profile you are going to see verification process. Now you see that I'm verified, but for you are not going to be verified. You are going to have to put in your name, your address, and means of identification. So you see when you done that, you are going to see this status fully verified. So here deposit, you can put unlimited deposit here, and here things. You just put in a mode of identification. If you have got driver's license, probably your name is usually preferable. Use your name to verify. Then here, now if you want to create like a demo account, it's pretty easy. Where you see trade here, you can come here, you click on account, you click on plus. Now you see demo account, so you see risk-free demo with money. So you click on, tap on it. Here you see standard. So standard account is $10. Pro instant execution is $500, and raw spread, it has zero spread, $500 and above. So what I always tell my students is that whenever you are learning, use what the amount that you think is obtainable. I know for most of us, right, is from 100 $10 to $100 that we're able to fund. So what I would suggest, use the standard, then click on continue. To amount currency, so this the different currency pairs. So here you can tap, you put the amount you want to put here. This is in USD, make sure it's in USD, so you can put your nickname. So you can see Rich's demo account. So click on save, and platform MT5. Then so this is the leverage. Make sure as you are starting, just leave it at 1:200. So later I'm going to explain leverage and what it means. Then click on continue, and it would require you to create a trading password. So I'm going to use my old password so that I don't have plenty more password. Now I'll click on continue, and you see I have this, right? So when you create it, you are going to see standard MT5. So what is MT5? Is MetaTrader 5. So that is going to take us to the next stage. Now this is our broker, right? This is our broker. Now, but then we need a platform where we'll do like technical analysis and trade execution. You can trade here, but because we want to become professional traders, what we'll do is that our technical analysis, we don't do it here, we do it on MetaTrader 5. So what we'll do is we are going to use our account. Make sure you remember your password and account, so to link it on MetaTrader 5. And to do that, we go to your app store and or your Play Store, depending on the phone you're using. So you search for MetaTrader 5. So MetaTrader 5. So here, so I have it already. It's telling me to update, but for this illustration I'll just open it. So here, MetaTrader 5. So this is how the interface looks like, right? This is how the interface looks like. And what you do is that you connect the password. So let me log out. So here, when you tap on your settings, you see create new account, right? When you tap on it, you click on plus. So you go to your Exness. When you tap on your Exness here, you click here, you click on details, click on settings. So see this place here, right? Login. You tap, click on login, you paste it here, server. So you copy the server first. So MT4 try 9. So you come here, so you paste the server name here, so it's going to appear here. So Exness technology. So the login and your password, just put it, then we'll be able to trade. So your login, you paste it here, then the password you created earlier, you put it here. To my password, so I'm going to delete this. So copy this, paste this. So here is trial 9. But you get, when you're done, you just click on, sign in, and you'll be signed in. So it's as simple as that. So that's how to do it. So the next one, it will go back learning, and we'll execute our next trade, so that you can now start calling yourself a trader. But then my advice to all of us is that don't be too excited about like the trading. Be more excited about learning what I'm showing you. Now you will trade, you get to a point that, so that any trade you take, you know why you're taking it. It's not just to be buy and sell button. So I hope you learned something today, and if you've got any question, do not forget to ask me. I'll be glad to help you. Till next time, bye. See you tomorrow.